Hello, my name is Altaf Khan. So today is the 25th day of Zoom Marathon Challenge Season 4. So today we will talk about what is the difference between the array, stack and queue. So first of all, we talk about array. So in the array, it's continuously memory allocation storage. In the JavaScript, it can store the multiple types of data, just like that string array or number. It can store anything, but in other programming language, just like Python, we can store only store integer or only strings. So that's all about the array. So array can be 1D array or single dimension array or 2D array or 3D array. It's the type of array, and we use array for just like that. If you want to store multiple data types in the JavaScript, so we can access by the index. If we want to catch the item, fourth item, we have to write like array square bracket, then the index of that element. Just like that, if we want to catch fourth item, then we have to put 3, because indexing start from 0 in the array. So then after we have the stack. So first of all, stack is a abstract data structure of the array. It means it's the implementation or advanced option of the array. Just like that, array is used to put anything in the last or in the top of the elements. Means it's the stack is the, just like that, plates in the hotel. If we put last plate, we can remove from top of the plate. We can't remove from the middle or first plate. We remove only the last plate that is on the stack. So stack is just like it's plates on the restaurant or anything. We can check just like that. CDs in the bar we store. Then we can pop out last elements. So just like that, stack is working. Also, it's just last in first out. Means element that we put last, we can pop out in the first time. So it's the implemented or advanced option of the stack array. Array is the stack is the implementation of the array or advanced option of the array. So we can't put in the stack everywhere. We can put only the item, last item, and we can pop out from the last item. So that's all about stack. Then we have a queue. So queue is another type of the array, but here another concept work like first in first out. Means it is the just a queue in the railway ticketing or in the movie ticketing system. We can see that the first person come, take ticket, then first out. So it's just like that, first come first out. So we can put element at the end and pop from the start. So for putting the element, we can use enqueue at the end, and if we want to pop from the front, we use dequeue. In stack, we use push to add and pop for remove. In stack, in queue, we use enqueue and dequeue. Enqueue for inserting and dequeue for removing element from the front. So that's all about stack, queue, and array. So that all are the similar types, but there are function is functions are different. Just like that, array is a complicated thing. I can say in the adding element or the thing or other things, because the adding element in the iteration method, it's take order of n times. Just like that, if we want to put at the end of the element, we can say it's the n minus 1 or the length minus 1, or we can traverse the array. Or in stack, if we want to put any element in the last of the element, then we have a pointer top. We carry the pointer top, which is the last element of the stack, we can put there. And in the queue, it's also the first element we can pop, and last element we can push. So the popping or enqueuing, dequeuing, pushing, it's all in the stack and queue, relies on the order of one time complexity. But in the array, we iterate over the array, so its time complexity will be order of n. So that's all about the stack, array, and queue. Thank you.